In today's fast-paced world, time is of the essence and every second counts. This is especially true when you're trying to find information on the internet. Searching for answers to your questions can be a tedious and time-consuming process, and sometimes the results aren't even what you were looking for. In this video, I will show you a cool way to see search results from both Google and ChatGPT on the same webpage. This can be helpful to get quick and accurate answers. Let's get started. Go to the Google search engine and type ChatGPT for Google. You can observe there are two extensions available. One is ChatGPT for Google, and other one is ChatGPT for Chrome extension. I personally like the extension ChatGPT for Google, as it is more efficient than the other one. Click on the button Add to Chrome. You can see here, this has already more than 900,000 users. And you can read more below on this page to know about extension details. Now click on Add to Chrome to add the extension. Here, you get some options to choose on how you like ChatGPT to be used. In trigger mode, always is not very efficient, as it will cause a huge load on ChatGPT. So I will choose option ? And I will leave the remaining setting as auto for both themes and the language. For the last AI provider, I will leave it as ChatGPT web app, as I am using the standard free version. You can choose another option if you are using upgrade plus paid version. Let's close all the tabs and test the extension we installed. I going to Google search and type social media trends today. There is a message from ChatGPT on the right side, to add a question mark at the end. I wanted to add the term today to the search, along with social media trends, to show the limitation of ChatGPT. Its response will be only based on the data it is trained. It cannot give an answer on recent or future events. For this ChatGPT version, data trained includes only till September 2021. You can see the response from ChatGPT getting generated right next to Google search results. I hope you find this video useful. So, what do you think? If everyone uses ChatGPT to complete their tasks, and to write articles or blogs, what will happen? Subscribe to our channel to know more about this. Don't forget to like and share the video with friends. Thanks for watching.